Welcome to WebPress. How can we find which post or page an uploaded image is attached to or linked to in WordPress? Where to find attachment page link in WordPress? We upload images in WordPress using media library, or we upload image during post or page creation in WordPress. From post or page, we use media uploader to upload images. So how to find which post or page an uploaded image is linked to? If we go to media library and you see some images, but you don't know which post or page they belong to, and you want to find out, then from library under media, make sure view is grid view. Click add the image to locate its association with post or page. If it is linked to any post, page or product, you will see that link in front of uploaded to. That is using this image. This is the page that is using this image. And this is a product. Product's featured image is this image. So this is how simple it is to find out which post or page an image belongs to. If an image is not linked to any post or page or product, it will not show uploaded to information. For example, this image, there's no information related to where this image is linked because this image was uploaded using media library and was not linked to any post or page. Let's close this, create a new page, add media, link that image to this page, publish, go to media library, reload. Now click add this image and we see uploaded to. And in front of that, we see test page. Clicking at it will show the page, and here is our image that we have linked to this page. So this is how we can find out where an image is linked in WordPress. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.